I made a composite volcano. I predicted that my lava would flow fast because my volcano is steep. Here is where I used a plastic bottle, packing tape, a cardboard box, and newspaper to put together my volcano. Here we mix water and flour to make paper mache to help harden my volcano. After we let it dry, I painted my volcano brown and green. The next day, I painted my lava flow using fabric paint. Here you see I am preparing to erupt my volcano. First, I pour my food coloring into my volcano. Then I pour my vinegar in after. Last, I am prepared to pour my baking soda. Oh my gosh! The volcano puked out lava and now it's flowing. Let's see that in slow-mo, shall we? The lava shot up about 3.5 inches above my volcano. My volcano erupted on my first try and it was successful. I want to give a huge thanks to my mom and auntie for helping me and guiding me with my volcano project. I also want to give a huge thanks to WeVideo for the fun program I use to make edits. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Peace!